by PragerU Kids, crafts, history, and your questions. It worked. It totally worked. As American as apple pie. In this unique DIY series, kids watch and learn easy, family-friendly crafts that celebrate American values while getting short history lessons about topics that aren't always taught in schools.
I've seen many different types of American flags. How many flags does America actually have?
Historically, the United States has had 27 different versions of our American flag since the Founding Fathers declared our freedom in 1776. A new craft and lesson for every American value and holiday. I'm loving this. Everybody want one?